the door, like you knew this was coming. Left your keys in the bowl, but your shadow kept humming. I watched your hand on the latch, like it weighed more than it should. We said the small things first, 'cause the big things never would. And I looked at your face, trying not to learn it by heart. You smiled through the ache, like a room going dark. Goodbye, goodbye, don't let it break us. Goodbye, goodbye, we were almost enough. Hold me once, then let me go. Goodbye, goodbye, I still love you so. The kettle clicked off in the quiet. Your name stayed on my tongue. There was rain on the glass, and one last song unsung. You laughed when I said I'll be fine, I always am, but your eyes gave me away, and your hand found mine again. And I looked at your face, trying not to learn it by heart. You smiled through the ache, like a room going dark. Goodbye, goodbye, don't let it break us. Goodbye, goodbye, we were almost enough. Hold me once, then let me go. Goodbye, goodbye, I still love you so. If time is a river, then let it take this away. If love leaves a mark, let it stay where it stays. No blame, no smoke, just two tired hearts standing in the doorway and falling apart. Goodbye, goodbye, don't let it break us. Goodbye, goodbye, we were almost enough. Hold me once, then let me go. Goodbye, 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 I still love you so. Goodbye, 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 soft as your breath. Goodbye, 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 until